Today we're going to be looking at a finished diamond painting of this bat wing specifically by Jazmin Castillo from Distracted by Diamonds. This is a licensed diamond painting from Distracted by Diamonds. They also sell as the shop Patty Wax, so you can visit them at this link if you would like. I'll put the link in the description box below. I actually have a number of Jazmin Castillo diamond paintings, and this is just one of them. I think I have like 4, maybe 5. I don't know how many, but I have a collection of hers from Distracted by Diamonds. This diamond painting was actually purchased in 2021, so 2 years ago. I don't know, honestly, if they've made any changes since then. I am from Canada, so shipping was a lot of money. So I don't necessarily really order from them anymore. So here is the completed diamond painting. I think it turned out really cute. I really like bats. There's just something about them that is adorable. Some people are like, ew, bats are gross, but I think they're really cute. Like, look at his face. I really like Jazmin Castillo's artwork as well. So the stats for this diamond painting are, it is 52 by 67 centimeters. And there are 34 colors, and this is a round diamond painting. I really like working on squares, but for some reason I was like, oh, I need a break from squares. I need to work on a round. So I dug this kit out of my stash and I worked on it. I decided to share it with you guys because a number of you have mentioned that, like, hey, even though it's an older diamond painting, we'd still like to see the completed thing. And some of you guys might have this in your stash, so you want to see it completed. I really liked working on this diamond painting. It was fun. It was a nice change from squares. The only thing I would say is the glue was kind of iffy, but not like don't buy it iffy, where like the glue is terrible. Like I've had that in previous kits where the glue is terrible and like it didn't even hold the drills down. Just some of the drills, like I noticed, were easy to slide around, but definitely not something that would hinder me from purchasing from them in the future. And oh, I just ripped a drill off. Where did it go? Do I care that much? Maybe. Okay. I don't know what happened to it. My whole thing was I'm going to hang all my Jazmin Castillos, but that I don't hang any of my diamond paintings. Let me put this drill back with my finger. Diamond painting with your finger. So we can take a closer look at the drill area. So with rounds, I don't really care if they go down straight, honestly. I just want them on the canvas. His face is so adorable. I have a number of Jazmin Castillo diamond paintings, like I said, and the majority of them all have like this white border, some sort of frame around the center image. And on those previous diamond paintings, I actually replaced this white border with sparklers. So I guess metallic metal drills or whatever, like silver ones. Sparklers, I don't know, whatever they're called. And I was going to do that for this diamond painting, but honestly, I didn't really care because I just do diamond paintings for the sake of diamond painting and completing them. I don't really hang them, like I said. But that is an option. Like if you're looking, like if you like enhancing your diamond paintings, I would recommend doing something with the border, whether that's replacing the border, the white border, with ABs or metallic drills or sparklers or whatever they're called. Like there's a really good opportunity here if you like enhancing. You can even enhance like these little sparkly star things or whatever. But for me, ABs and stuff like that aren't really important because, again, I don't display my diamond paintings. I really like how this turned out, though. So it went by really fast because the background, like this blue and then this black in the frame, was all color blocking. So like I believe I actually just sectioned this down the middle and then did it like 2 columns per row or whatever. So it went by really quickly because, again, you are doing a lot of multi-placing, and I used the 14 placer for a lot of the background, which was great. I would recommend grabbing this kit. I believe you can still grab this kit from Distracted by Diamonds. Again, I don't know how much their diamond paintings have changed since 2021, but if it's anything like this one, I would definitely recommend grabbing it. I also believe that you can buy an enhancement kit for this diamond painting, which is kind of cool too if you care about that stuff. So that's a neat option that Distracted by Diamonds provides. But yeah, I really like Jazmin Castillo's artwork. This is a great one to add to my collection. I'm really glad that I finished this one. And again, rounds was a nice change from squares for me. I really like the rendering as well, and the canvas, like the grid itself, I didn't have any issues with symbols. Everything was legible. Legible? Yeah, everything was legible. No issues. Highly recommend this, and make sure you check out Distracted by Diamonds. Again, I'll put the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick post review. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have this in your kit, in your stash, let me know. Let me know what you think of this diamond painting in general. Is this artwork for you? And if you're new here, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!